Hello, Datta this side, and I have great updates. So basically, I just want to share amazing case study here. One of my client, he's from real estate and interior designing, and he literally got 300 plus ROI दोस्तों on advertising spending. So basically, जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, I just want to tell you here, हमारा ग्रुप है Traffic and Funnel Domination. He is a part of my Facebook Domination Program Challenge, and he was running ad. If you see here, like Datta, today I want to share my journey with Datta sir. I started my business promotion ad with sir, and he proper guided, listen everything what I want, and guided with small tips which he can help to grow my business. After launching my first ad in last 1.5 months ago, I got more than 200 leads, and then my team started following up all the leads. Now most of the leads are converting with us, and the day by day I'm getting better quality leads also. I strongly say that like team members I like can get good clients. If you can basically I just replied to also congratulations for trust. So there is more than 15 lakhs deal, and he spent around 38k, मतलब 38k उन्होंने spend किया, and he got around 15 lakhs, 15 लाख का client. It's I believe more than 300 plus. I हमेशा मैं बोलता हूँ 10x, लेकिन it's more than 300 time ROI. And if you see here, he's saying again like that, you are right, but there are many more in pipeline now. So I am accepting like coming around 100 lakhs once year, almost the clients are in the pipeline. So basically, you see guys, this was a quick case study, and this is my live group of the entrepreneurs and of my community. If you are somebody have not attended my workshop, please click on the link below, check out my workshop. No matter which business you are in real estate, you are in service business, you are in coaching business, no matter what business you are in, if you are looking for 10x results and 10x ROI, I would like to invite for my high performance Facebook ad and funnel workshop. Also, if you have attended workshop, then I would like to invite you for my Facebook domination program challenge. Okay, so click on the link above, कहीं ऊपर या नीचे कहीं link होगा, and you can start your journey. Thank you very much, and this is the live case study. Looking forward to help you. धन्यवाद. Thank you very much.